Okay, this is a video of unboxing the Toad battery charger from RVI. They make brake controllers, and this is a little device that you can put in your car that will charge your battery from your hitch installation. So let's open it up and take a look. This is how it comes in a bag like this. It's made out of hard plastic here. Nice to see some nice heat shrinking here. It's a disappointment that doesn't have heat shrink on it. And wire ties and instructions here. Yeah. This explains how to hook it up. So yeah, this is a nice little package. It's $55, including shipping from RVI. You can see they clearly labeled the battery and motorhome cables. Should only take about 10 or 15 minutes to hook it up to the car. Thanks for watching.